How's everybody doing? This is Brodie Richards with Vivirito Realty, coming at you with another cocktail video. With 4th of July right around the corner, we're doing red, white, and blue cocktails with egg whites in them. We have done a red cocktail, which is a strawberry daiquiri. We've done a white cocktail, which is white lady. The next one that we're doing is called a Blue Hawaiian. Here's the thing with this cocktail. There are 125 million recipes online for this. Once you get the base ingredients of it, you can kind of play with it and make your own style and how you like it and the different proportions you do on it. The one that I'm doing is one that I came up with based on the ingredients and based on the portions on a lot of the cocktail recipes for it that I saw. So we're gonna roll with that today. We're gonna use rum, blue curacao, which is actually basically the exact same thing as triple sec, except it is blue as opposed to clear. It's an orange liqueur basically. We're gonna use lemon juice, simple syrup, pineapple juice, and of course an egg white, which we've discussed in the previous videos, gives it a frothy texture and silky texture when you're drinking it. All of these recipes you can do without an egg white if you choose, but it's fun to experiment and do that kind of stuff if you want. So first off, we're gonna do 1.5 ounces of rum. We're gonna do 3/4 ounce of blue curacao, 3/4 ounce of lemon juice, 1/2 ounce of simple syrup, a full ounce of pineapple juice, and as always, our trusty egg white. The best part of this cocktail is the dry shake. Shake it without ice, make sure that the egg white gets nice and frothy. Keep your hands on it because it tends to like to slip away from you and spill a little bit. So, add your ice. To complete our red, white, and blue cocktails, we have the Blue Hawaiian. Happy 4th of July, everybody.